Top 6. Best Floor Jack for Cars. If you're looking for the best floor jack for cars, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
The High Lift Jack Company may be an international company, but its heart and roots are in Indiana. Owned and operated by fifth-generation family, High Lift has been a part of the landscape in Bloomfield, Indiana, stretching back to 1895, when the Bloomfield Manufacturing Company was founded. Cars were an invention that drove the modern world, and so are the tools that help keep them on the road. The iconic High Lift Jack had its start in those early days, providing opportunities for those new inventions to make life a little easier for those that work with their hands. For over 125 years, High Lift has been a leader in the industry. Over the years, the original Handyman Jack, invented in 1905, evolved into the High Lift Jack, and a line of products that have completely changed the way people from all over the world work and play. From farmers to ranchers, to off-roaders and outdoor enthusiasts, to fire and rescue personnel, to construction workers, or anyone that owns a truck or SUV. High Lift products are rugged, highly versatile, and they put you in command of the situation. Built with pride in the USA, every High Lift Jack is handmade and hand-tested by experienced employees that put quality as their first consideration. Their skill and knowledge of the manufacturing process and consumer demands ensure the products from High Lift are designed and built to be reliable and long-lasting. The result is versatility and performance you can count on when you need it most.
In this short video, you will learn how to use your scissor jack.
The right side mark 1 means tightening the screw. Same way, keep the one side pressed until the screw has been tightened. Press the down button until the jack is lowered to the minimum. Connect the tire inflator to the tire air hole and power on. Press the inflation button to start inflating the tire. Close it when you finish inflating.
Position and align with the jack handle with the release valve. Rotate the release valve by turning the handle clockwise until it is closed firmly and lower the saddle clockwise to the lowest level.
The Big Red 2-ton jack in a case is the perfect replacement for your factory-supplied vehicle jack. It's light, weighing in at only 27 pounds, and can fit into the trunk of your car. The rotating heavy-duty saddle keeps your vehicle stable while you work on changing that frustrating flat tire. This value-price jack has been factory tested for reliability and has a built-in overload system to keep you safe while fixing your vehicle at the side of the road.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.